So this is the radio that I just came across. This is a Cobra 18 Ultra WeatherBand, kind of a rare radio. And this has got a 3-wire hookup. It's got a black wire, an orange wire, and a red wire. And I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with here. I've got the power on, but I've only got the red wire hooked up. And you can see that I'm getting nothing on the display screen. But when I hit the transmit button, you can see that the meter lights up completely. And you can also see that I have output power through the SWR meter. Not a great SWR, but at least it's still power. And when I switch to weather, I'm getting perfect reception on the weather channel there. So that's kind of strange. That's what I'm getting right now, but I've got nothing on that LED display screen at all. And again, full bars when I transmit. Okay, so let me show you something else here. When I hook up the orange and the red wire, this is what happens. I now have the LED lit up, and I can obviously cycle through all the channels. No worries whatsoever there. But I'm getting nothing on receive. Nothing is coming through. And I know this antenna is good. This is my base station antenna that this is hooked up to. When I hit transmit, the transmit light comes on, but I get nothing on the meter. So this is kind of odd. It's not really acting like anything I've ever seen before. I go down to channel 6 here, where we should obviously have some type of traffic coming through, and I've got nothing whatsoever. And again, in this configuration with the orange and red wire hooked up, I switch to weather, the LED screen goes off, and I get the weather.
At 4 p.m. at the Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport.
So that's what I'm dealing with. Any help would be appreciated if you've dealt with anything like this before. If somebody out there has an idea, I would certainly be open to hearing it. Any help, again, would be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.